The next time you get a laptop from your office's IT people, you might be getting a Chromebook. Now, not that you couldn't already get a Chromebook from your office before, but this time around, thanks to a partnership between Dell and Google, you'll be getting something that has a more complete suite of services and software for an IT professional, so they might feel better about deploying these out across an organization. The result of this partnership is two new laptops, the Dell Latitude 5300 2-in-1 Chromebook Enterprise, as well as the Dell Latitude 5400 Chromebook Enterprise. These are basically existing versions of Dell's Latitude notebooks that are used pretty commonly across organizations in the world, but now tweaked so that they offer Chrome OS, as well as Dell's VMware Unified Workspace. Normally at Engadget, we don't really cover these business-centric devices, but this partnership is notable. For one thing, Chrome partnering with Dell means that people who want to use Chromebooks for the workplace get access to Dell's really complete set of services. For example, Unified Workspace, which lets IT managers better set up and track and monitor devices that they've deployed across large organizations. Now think about this, if your workplace has 500 employees and you have some of them using Windows laptops, some of them using Mac laptops, and some of them using now Chromebooks, you'll want an easy control panel with which to keep a lookout for things like software or security updates, as well as whether or not a certain user has returned their device. And that's what stands out about Unified Workspace, which was first launched in April this year and now is being updated to feature these Chrome OS services embedded. As for the laptops themselves, like I said, there are two options, the 13-inch 2-in-1 and the 14-inch clamshell. They both have up to Intel's 8th generation Core i7 chipsets, as well as 32 gigs of memory, which seems like a lot and possibly even overkill, but if you think about enterprise solutions, you only want the best of the best, so these guts make sense. You can also get these with LTE options for up to 450 megabits per second speeds, so when you're traveling, for work for example, you can still stay connected to the internet. As for the rest of the laptops, their specs are pretty much what you'd expect for a mid-range work laptop. You get up to full HD displays, comfortable laptops, relatively responsive trackpads, but the design here leaves a lot to be desired. I didn't think that these were the most gorgeous. They're pretty much Dell Latitudes that you see across your office already, except for they have Chrome inside. So don't get too excited unless you're a hardcore Chrome OS fan. These will be available for order starting tomorrow, but Dell hasn't told us how much they will cost yet. It's not like you can go out and buy them anyway. It'll probably be a little while longer before you get your hands on one of these through your company's IT programs. So hey, at least if nothing else, there's more options for you to choose from next time you're reconsidering your work laptop. For more news about the wonderful world of Chrome OS, stay tuned to Engadget.com.